having a bunch of people over and you can't come to the radio show next week.
Uh-huh.
So, do you know, and maybe you guys knew this.
Is that the official notification right there?
I
you're not gonna
tried
be
to
here
give it
next
to
week?
you earlier. I said, can you get somebody to fill in? I have people coming from out of town.
Uh-huh.
Did you know that food trucks at private parties are a big thing now?
I saw that on the Shy, yes.
What's the Shy?
That's I think it's on Showtime or something. It's the Shy. It's a show on Showtime.
Okay.
And,
What did you see?
And one of the guys there runs a food truck, and he goes around to different parties and stuff. He gets
private parties.
Yes.
Yeah, so I wanted to talk a little bit about that. I did look into it for an event that I'm having because in my neighborhood on the Northwest Side, people are now doing the taco truck.
Yeah. And that's what the guy on the Shy has is a taco truck.
Really?
Yeah.
So do you remember years ago when we were at a different station, we had the 1411 empanadas truck come by once? Not the truck, but the people who own the truck came by and gave us some samples of little different pies.
Uh-huh.
That's one of the trucks that you can do. But so in my neighborhood, a lot of people are having the taco truck come by, and it's kind of like a cart. So I guess they should call it the taco cart comes by.
Yeah.
And then everybody can go up and order, their chicken or their beef or their vegetarian, and they have like 6 different salsas on the truck. What a great idea to have something like this, because you don't have to worry about the mess, the fuss, buying the food, shopping, cooking it. So I was kind of looking up to see what else there is out there. And you could get a pizza truck come by, and then people can go up and order their individual pizzas, which was actually a truck as opposed to the taco, which was more like a cart. There are, years and years ago, we had neighborhood block parties, and people would order the coffee ladies, and they would come, in the evening with the cart, and then you could pick the different kinds of coffees that you want. You can do an ice cream truck.
Well, yeah. That's a no-brainer right there.
It is a no-brainer, but it's not like a good humor, quote unquote. Like you're flagging down the good humor guy and saying, hey, you would actually have the truck come, and they can serve out of one truck up to 2,500 people.
You mean for the taco bus too?
For the taco thing, you have to tell them in advance how many people you want.
They can be prepared. But the ice cream truck can.
Yeah, they say they can get through about 200 people in 1 hour.
Wow.
Yeah, which is kind of cool. I mean, I like that idea.
So how much does that cost?
On the ice cream truck, it does not say how much it costs.
Do they give you a bill afterwards? Or do you find out ahead of time how much it costs? Come on, Robbie.
All right, that was Clutter Clarity. I don't know if she's going to speak anymore today. She's not going to be here next week.
Robbie, how much does it cost? Is it so much per person? Do you find out at the end? When do you find out how much it's going to cost?
It's per person.
Okay.
Or per item. The ice cream truck is per
This
item.
is
The taco
Mighty
trucks
House.
are per person.
Mighty House will
Got it.
return